Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards everything we have to cover in this video. We're going to jump right into CLOV stock, Clover Health Investments chart in just a moment, but before we do, because we've been tracking this one very closely together until it recently bottomed, we need to see if that's the bottom or if it's showing true strength. But before we jump into it, I want to share with you guys very quickly the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to gain access to the stocks I watch daily and weekly before you see it on any other platform and live, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we look forward to having you join us, and you can become part of it too today. Check it out. The link is down below. So IMNM, guys, this was one of the first stocks I mentioned. This turned out to give us a 10 to 20% jump at its highest point. ENZ gave us small jumps of 5 to 10%, and our home run of the day was NURO, guys. NURO was beyond expectations. A home run, by definition, in a single day for the plays that I look for in opportunities is 20% plus. This turned out to be a highest point of 300% plus, guys. This was phenomenal. Now, in the first few hours and minutes of the day, it gave 10% to 20% jumps, pulled back, gave 100%, pulled back, gave 200, pulled back, and it was already at 250 and some change, nearly 300% plus. Pulled back down and took off, hitting a highest point of $12, hitting that highest point of 300% plus, guys. This was spectacular, beyond expectations, and a home run is 20% plus, guys. This was 300% plus. This doesn't happen every single day. It's impossible to ride it all the way up and have known, but within that 300%, there's always an opportunity to get a piece of the pie as a trader, guys. So if you guys want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. So we are with CLOV stock, and we're seeing it actually continue going to newer lows. It's showing some strength, and we've seen this break through the $10 mark, like I stated earlier, that $9 mark, $8 mark, and it hit lows yesterday of $7.68. Now, it seems to be that every time it goes into the sevens, it's showing some strength and going back up. So there's some buying pressure that's actually continuing to hold this up to not let it go any lower. Now, if it goes lower, 750 is key right now to watch very closely, guys. 750 is super, super important. And way down here, you could see it very close to it, 750, 752. I just rounded down. Super important to watch if it gets broken through, but the stock seems to have bottomed out. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. I know a lot of you guys have been tracking this with me. What are your thoughts? How do you feel about it? 768 turned out to be the bottom. Are we going to go up from here or actually consolidate? Like I've stated, some strength is what we need to see, and then the next catalyst to start pulling it up. I look forward to seeing how you feel about this, and we've discussed together how a squeeze won't happen until this starts to push upwards, right? Because for a short squeeze to happen and shorts need to cover, the stock needs to go upwards. Now, sitting sideways doesn't really benefit the shorts or even hurt them at the same time. If anything, it gives them strength if it goes any weaker. But the fact that there's some push to the upside and it seems to have bottomed out, that is some true strength from the bulls. We need to see if they can continue it and continue pushing higher. But this stock right now is in a position too where it can seem like a bull trap, right? Because if it goes a little bit higher, right, and it just continues doing that, and then all of a sudden it has a pullback that's for several days, then we may see newer lows. That's why 750 right now is key to keep in mind, pay close attention to, and not forget about it, okay? Because things are looking pretty good right now, but don't forget about it. But this is showing true strength, guys. The bulls are definitely fighting back, holding this one up, and getting closer to the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is still above the price. we're still in bearish territory, and the bulls have some work to do, right? So the lowest point yesterday, 768, 750. The lowest point today is 792. If that gets crossed, you have three areas to dissect this chart in the $7 range above 750 all the way down to 750 to see how the bulls are reacting or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast, guys. It's super important to keep that in mind. Now, the bulls are pushing up. So they've broken through the resistance levels that we were watching. Now, the highest point that they reached today was 850. That is key, right? That needs to be broken through, turn into a support so that the bulls can continue pushing upwards, reaching newer highs and new resistance levels. If they accomplish that, 867, then back up here to 950, and then one of the most recent highs, $10, guys. Once they cross $10, they could be well on their way to newer highs, gaining traction, gaining leverage over the chart, and getting closer to the 50-day moving average, then pulling away from it, reaching newer highs, new resistance levels, and possibly form a short squeeze opportunity because the shorts may need to start covering the higher this goes and if momentum continues. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well, and all I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and check out my last video because through the volatility of the market, opportunities are forming, and I talked about a stock based off analysis ratings that has a 200% plus opportunity, not in a single day like the stock we watched today over in the morning over at the Discord, if not a stock that's preparing itself for opportunity in the long run, innovation, and growth, guys. Go check it out. It's my most recent upload. I look forward to seeing your thoughts on that one as well over at that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.